2 on the cart build. I got all the parts and pieces and junk and trash and whatever else I had laying around welded together. For the most part, it's probably about 75% done right now. But this is my off-road cart to pull behind ratchet or spinner. That way me and Miss P&P can drive and ride and make some videos for y'all, and the boys can take the snapper in this and ride around and have fun. And if I want to take them down the trail, I can hook them behind snapper or mine and take them down the trail. Make it a little comfortable for him. I got the suspension. That is the old golf cart suspension that I had. Watch this. I'm gonna show you all the suspension. It's pretty cool. It'll make it a little bit more comfortable for him. Get some of this on there so it don't rattle. Oh. Watch this. That should give him a little bit of a better ride, hopefully. Like I said, these are the old tires and wheels off Mayhem. I used the axles, I actually turned them around and stuck them back there. Welded a sleeve on and everything, but I just turned them around. That way I can actually take them off if I want to, I guess. The old golf cart suspension. But like I said, I still got a lot to do. I got to put the steering wheel on for him. Gonna try to get this done today. And I got to do a little bit to the hitch. I'm gonna put a handle on the hitch. That way I have that. Maybe a little wheel up under there, I don't know. I'm just messing around right now, but it's about 75% done. I'm gonna try to get it done today. It will be 2 blue colors. That one and that one. I'm not for sure how yet, but I'm using these because that's what I got, and a can of clear coat. Here's the rest of the crap that's going on here. I got to get it on there. I'm gonna try to get this basket on here off of a shopping cart on the back, but we'll see how it all works. But he's excited. We are naming this one Skip, just like Skipper. That's what we're gonna use for this one, so it'll be Spinner and Skipper. So yeah, like I said, cool little trail cart. There's a trail cart. Nothing but junk. Didn't pay a dime for anything. Stuff I had, stuff I found. Welded it all together and painted it with what I had. Just for my youngest boy, like I said, he loves it. It's got suspension, golf cart suspension. We are going to be able to make ride videos now and take the whole family along. I was gonna put the double seat on the snapper, but anybody can haul him now. So if something happens, we can put this on any mower. But yeah, I got me an off-road Chariot, off-road cart. I think, if I'm not mistaken, we are gonna name him Skip, as in Skipper. Sorry, my camera fell off. We're either gonna name him Skip, as in Skipper, or Springer. Actually, you know what? I think we're gonna go with Springer. Spinner and Springer. The Rowdy Bunch. There we go. Spinner and Springer. I'll get some decals for him, and yeah, we're gonna call him Springer. I like that. SNS. All right. Well, there you go. There it is, guys. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, comment below. If y'all follow me on Facebook, I posted this yesterday or last night. I found this down the road, actually. There's a couple people I know that when I'm driving around, they have a bunch of stuff like this sitting outside their house, and I always try to catch them outside. And I actually caught one guy the other day, yesterday, and got to talking to him and showed him what I did, and he had a mud mower too and all that. And I asked him if he had any for sale, any mini bikes, because he had a few sitting around. He's like, yeah, I got this one. He said the motor does run. It's a 3 horsepower Briggs and Stratton. I know it's old, but we're fixing to test fire it up here in a minute. It needs a rear back tire, front tires, okay. It does have some rust on the frame. I'm gonna have to cut and sleeve the frame in a couple places. Down there, there's one under the seat. I'll probably go ahead and do that. I'll probably actually just redo the whole bottom of it and strengthen it up, and then probably put some extra bracing in here. I don't know what I'm gonna do for a gas tank yet. Like I said, I want to do this parts and pieces style, so if I can get used stuff or free stuff or whatever I can find on the side of the road or whatever I got laying around here is what I'm going to try to use to fix this up. Me and Miss P&P are talking about a color right now, a color scheme for it. So, but I'm going to use the old motor. As long as I can get it running and running good, I'm just going to use the old motor. I'm going to put some more fabric on the seat, redo the seat myself. Let's see here. I'm going to use whatever I can use that's already on here. I checked the price on tires. I'll probably get at least one rear brand new tire. I got to fix this and find a spring for this and everything. Like I said, there's some of the rust. I got to fix this, cut this out, sleeve it, be like brand new. Got to get the clutch and the pulley set up, all the chain, all that good stuff to go. I'll get me a little battery and stick it in there because it does have a light. He said he thought it did work. The suspension does work. It's not bad. Like I said, $45 to be honest with you. Yeah, I need a throttle. $45, it gives me a start. Like I said, if this runs, I'm not complaining about $45 anyhow, but if that runs, I'm really not gonna be complaining. So, Nate, Go-Karts Gone Fishing, TBC, Tampa Boys Customs. Guys, I appreciate y'all. Kind of inspired me to go ahead and try to get one of these with all y'all's videos. I loved it, especially the last one that y'all did with the TBC 100. Awesome. But I want to fix this up. I watched y'all guys do this for a while, and I want to try one out myself. But I'll put their links to their YouTube pages or YouTube channels down at the bottom of the description, guys, if y'all haven't seen them. It's Tampa Boys Customs and Go-Karts Gone Fishing. Awesome guys. They do awesome work on their mini bikes and stuff. They have awesome videos. Check them out if you get a chance. Let's see. That's awesome.
Yeah, the seat needs bolted down. This only has 3 bolts in it. He typically, you know, I gotta tighten these down a little bit, clean it up, but it does run. Sweet.
W, big W, awesome. So now I got to run a motor for $45. Yes, it's only a 3-horse, but it is a Briggs & Stratton, which is cool. I'll look up the numbers, see what year it is and everything. I'll do a good tune-up on it and go from there with that. So I'm good on that. So now all I got to do is worry about this for the most part, fixing this, painting it, doing all my norm. Awesome. So if y'all guys are interested in mini bikes and all that like that, stay tuned for this build. Like I said, I'm gonna keep doing my mower thing, but I wanted one of these, so now I got one. I'm gonna build her up. But I gotta think of a name too for this one. Go-Karts TBC. I don't think I'm gonna make it to your next one that you were talking about, your speed trials, I think it was, or your time trials. But if you have another one, I might be there. Thanks for watching. Y'all stay tuned, stay safe. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, comment. Thank y'all very much. Peace out.